Hello kids, welcome to Grammar by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Let's begin. Before going through the questions, here is a fun activity. Can you find the odd number from this poster? Look carefully and have fun. Did you spot the number? Well done, kids. Now let's go to the grammar question.
Hey kids, ready for a super fun quiz game? Let's play with words like in, on, under. Where is the ball? A is in the box. B is under the box. C is on the box. The correct answer is in the box.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
The cat is dash the table. A is in, B is on, C is under. The correct answer is the cat is on the table.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
The toy is dash the chair. A is under, B is on, C is chair. The correct answer is the toy is under the chair.
Excellent job, kids.
Where is the book? A is book. B is in the bag. The correct answer is in the bag.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
The cup is dash the table. A is under, B is on, C is in. The correct answer is the cup is on the table.
Free one-on-one grammar check. Know your child's grammar level in just 30 minutes. Link in the description.
The dog is hiding dash the bed. A is bed. B is under. The correct answer is the dog is hiding under the bed.
Excellent job, kids.
The apple is dash the basket. A is in, B is under. The correct answer is the apple is in the basket.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
The hat is dash the head. A is in, B is on, C is under. The correct answer is the hat is on the head.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
The teddy bear is dash the bed. A is in, B is on, C is under. The correct answer is the teddy bear is under the bed.
Excellent job, kids.
The ball is dash the jar. A is under, B is on, C is in. The correct answer is the ball is in the jar.
Excellent job, kids. Hey, superstar, Want to show me how well you know your grammar? Ask Mama or Papa to book your grammar challenge below.
The bird is dash the tree. A is under, B is in, C is on. The correct answer is the bird is in the tree.
Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question.
The pencil is dash the box. A is in, B is on, C is under. The correct answer is the pencil is in the box.
Excellent job, kids! Please like and subscribe to the channel.
The book is dash the desk. A is on, B is in, C is under. The correct answer is the book is on the desk.
Excellent job, kids!
The shoes are dash the table. A is under, B is in, C is on. The correct answer is the shoes are under the table.
Excellent job, kids!
Toy inside box under table. Where is the toy? A is in the box, B on the table, C under the box. The correct answer is in the box.
Excellent job, kids! Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Keep learning. See you next time. Please like the video and subscribe the Grammar for Kids by Planet Spark.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.